Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest reviews and product recommendations. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the Quilt Storage Box Organizers Storage Bag Household Large Capacity Clothes Folding Zipper Closet Canvas Storage Bag Container. This incredible storage solution is perfect for those of you who are looking to declutter and organize your home. Let's talk about the features of this amazing product. It is made of high-quality canvas material, which means it is durable and long-lasting. The large capacity of this storage bag allows you to store not only quilts, but also clothes, blankets, and other household items. The folding design makes it convenient to store when not in use, and the zipper closure ensures that your items stay clean and protected. Now, I know what you're thinking: why do I need this storage bag? Well, let me tell you. We all know how quickly clutter can pile up in our homes, and having a designated space to store and organize our belongings can make a world of difference. This quilt storage bag will not only save you space, but it will also make it easier to find and access your belongings when you need them. So, if you're ready to take control of your home organization and declutter your space, I highly recommend checking out the Quilt Storage Box Organizers Storage Bag Household Large Capacity Clothes Folding Zipper Closet Canvas Storage Bag Container. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret investing in this game-changing storage solution. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy organizing!